Welcome to Awcroft's YouTube channel, your world for information.
How are you? Hope you are doing well. The topic for the day is education system needs a change. Yes, if at all something should change, it has to be the education system, right? This is a topic very close to me. Before we get into the topic, a quick reminder and request to all those who haven't subscribed to subscribe to my channel, and thanks to all those who have already subscribed. Also, hit the bell button so that you will receive the future notifications of all my videos. Hope you would enjoy the show. Let's get into the topic.
Start here with a small story, a story of six blind men and an elephant. Long, long ago, not so long ago, there lived six blind men who had lost their vision. Obviously, that's why they are called blind men, and they wanted to compete with each other. They want to have share their knowledge with each other. They want to. They were more interested in telling long stories than each other, and they tried to compete with each other for long. Day, their argument turned out to be that of an elephant. The elephant became the subject of the argument, and they were discussing a lot, and it turned into a kind of fight. So they decided to find the object of dispute and settle their dispute, so that when they can find an elephant, they can touch and feel, they can understand the reality behind that. Excitement, they hired a man to find an elephant, and they all reached. The first man touched the elephant and said, "Oh, as I could see, it's a great wall made of mud baked in the hot sun." Blind man screamed that he's found elephant to be in the shape of a spear. Blind man said the elephant is in the form of a rope. Man wondered that elephant and snake are one and the same. Blind man assumed it to be a fan. Sixth one compared it to a tree or a pillar, but none of them got the bigger picture. The bigger picture is the elephant is an elephant. Unless you will able to see the bigger picture, we all are like the six blind men, seeing one side of it and one perspective of it, and assuming that that is what we have seen. It is better understood from the perspective of the whole and not merely in parts. We must seek to combine the parts of better understanding uh, for the better understanding of the whole, that is the bigger picture. Try to see the bigger picture of what we perceive to be the education. Leave the point of view theory and try to get the bigger picture. But still, if you have any point of views, you can always record it in the comment section, and everyone will be more than happy to see and respond to it. In this video, we will see why the education system needs a change. The education system, be it primary education, kindergarten, or primary, or secondary, or the universities or colleges, or the research, at any level, and every level, it has been commercialized. There is a dearth of affordable quality education, be it schools or colleges or universities or research institutions, or at every level there is a dearth of quality affordable education. The infrastructure created for education is also not adequate in most of the cases. Most important issue regarding education and education system is the availability of quality teaching staff. the way they are trained, their background, and their perception of education. Sure, some of you must have been aware of the Village Schoolmaster by Oliver Goldsmith. In that, Oliver would say, the village all declared how much he knew. Smith would also they gazed and still the wonder grew that one small head could carry all he knew. Gone are those days, and now educator is the least of the profession. Teaching is least of the profession, and those who do not get any other job, they try to become teachers, and that is the reason why we do not have any teachers driven by passion. We only have teachers who are driven by their condition to become teachers. How would you expect them to deliver the goods? How would you expect them to transfer the knowledge? How would you expect them to build a society that is full of values? Quality teaching personnel with passion and lot of compassion would have impact on the society as a teacher. World needs to understand from countries like Finland, Norway, Denmark, Russia, and Japan. I'm amazed how these countries are managing a life-oriented education, whereas other education systems in the other countries are much to the benefit of creating a workforce. Nothing more than that. I've heard that the Thai education system is based on wisdom, mind, and thinking concept. Some countries like Malaysia focus on achieving national identity through their education. Wow. A variety of system in different countries. What is the purpose of education? What is the meaning of education? What do we try to achieve by imparting education to the children?
We gain through a study, a research, or investigation is knowledge, which is accumulation of the facts and accumulation of data, information. This is knowledge. Wisdom is the ability to discern and judge the validity of knowledge that you have gained over the period through education and how it is applicable to your life. So, wisdom is superior than knowledge. And insight is the awareness of underlying essence of a truth. So, knowledge, wisdom, and insight are different. A real education would impart wisdom in one. When somebody is educated, they exactly know what is right and what is wrong for them, and they should be able to apply their education in their real time life. If it is insightful, it is much deeper.
Flip side of conventional education is that it doesn't encourage independent thinking at all. So as the age increases, the mind becomes dull. In developmental psychology, there is always a debate between the nature and the nurture. And I feel that both the nature, the genetical makeup of a person, as well as the nurture, the culture and the tradition, the education, the social values, all these together make up a person. And when education is not good, it doesn't help the individual to develop further, or in fact, it gives a negative development which is not good for the human race. The use of education, if our thoughts and uh, feelings are not integrated, what is the value of education if you do not get the confidence to face the world, when you are driven with fear? What is the use of your education? Education is not just about assimilating knowledge. Education should help us discover long lasting values. It should enhance our self awareness. It should help us ask more questions, investigate, and find the truth rather than just merely amazing intellectual thoughts. So, modern education is nothing but a mode, one of the modes to make man accept the social norms. In Australia or the Scandinavian countries, while it should prepare the person for the civic life, it should also give an opportunity for a lifelong learning, provoke the individual to increase the self awareness. Education has turned out to be a ground for preparing people for warfare rather than giving them the calmness and composure to enable peace in this world. Curricular casualties of the current education system are innumerable. Where is the music? Where are the arts? Where are the fine arts? What happened to these? These make people happy. Recently met an educator in my flight in the next seat, and he told the fine arts has lost its charm and there is no scope for it. You don't study for scope. Come on, you are studying to enhance your competency, your knowledge, your wisdom, your happiness. Education has to give you happiness. If it doesn't give you happiness, it is not for you. The damn modern education is only for preparing people for the rat race, and that is the problem. Globalization has reshaped the education system. Certainly not in a positive way. I never heard of Father's Day or Mother's Day or Valentine's Day when I was in my school uh, because the world was not open then. Once the world became open, you started studying all these. They want the whole world to celebrate Father's Day in one day, Mother's Day in one day, but every day is Father's Day for me. I'm with my father for so many years. I'm with my mother for so many years. Why would I want a separate day? Valentine's Day. I don't know where this started from. It's utter nonsense. And the whole world has to celebrate because somebody wants to sell something and the whole world has to buy it on one day. So they have created a fictitious thing which, with all the stories which people are inclined to believe to because of the education system. Also, the religious education is another dangerous trend and it has to be avoided. Another big problem with the education is the countries, the ruling governments, and the uh, uh, occupants changing or fudging the histories, hiding the historical facts, and creating some new things. Suddenly, there are new leaders coming out from nowhere. Suddenly, there are new facts which we haven't heard for years together, and children are made to believe this. And this make-believe psychology is very dangerous. Digitalization is permeating institutions at all levels. The untouched some 10 years, 15 years back has now been changing. Something has been added, some new things have been added. And not only that, uh, not just the curriculum, not just the research, the whole fabric of how education campuses should do business has changed because of internationalization or the globalization. Is your education giving you confidence? It's good. Enhancing your competency, fantastic. You acquiring knowledge and has it increased the quality of your life? Fabulous. You taken your education to make yourself successful? Is your education ruling your perception? It really made you happy? Whatever be your perception on the outlook of education, you can record it in the comment section and I would be more than happy to read and understand how education has added value in your life. For us, spreading awareness or empowering you or changing your quality of life, all these are good aspects of education, but education needs to impart something more than this. That is the requirement. Only then the future society will have people who can manage their lives. Even if your productivity and your communication skills are improved and your connect is improved because of your education, still the education is failed if it does not impart the kind of values it should impart. It should bring in the kind of wisdom it is required to bring in the man. It should enlighten you. If money, success, and survival are the motivation for your education, then you need to have a revisit. You need to self introspect. Education should provide you with more than a sense of accomplishment. It should make your life happy. You all remember the song in the Pink Floyd's Wall album? We don't need no education. No, we all need education, but we need it in the right form. Education should give you happiness. Education should make your life meaningful and not just, it should be a mode for living, just living. It should make your life meaningful. Let's strive to change the education system and make our world a better place to live. You all.
You had a good time listening to the topic. See you sometimes with some similar postings in the future. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Good day.